Now I am going to explain chapter 1, and that name is India. India in the world. India in the world, that is the chapter name. Now let's start. India is a vast country. Vast means very big. India is very big country. It ranks 7th in the world in terms of area. India is the 7th largest country in the world. So now you are thinking, if India is the 7th largest country in the world, so which are the 6 largest countries in the world? So I will tell you about the 6 largest countries in the world according to their size. First, Russia. Second, Canada. Third, China. Fourth, the USA. USA full form is United States of America. Fifth, Brazil, and last one is Australia. India is the second most populous country in the world. India is the second most populous country, but after China. China is the first populous country in the world. What is the meaning of populous? Populous means you can say population, a number of people. So, India is the second most populous country in the world. Now, India and its neighbors. Now we will learn about the neighboring countries of India. Means those countries are near India. India is situated in the southern part of the continent of Asia. You all know that India is situated in the continent of Asia. And Asia is the largest continent and Australia is the smallest continent. So our country, India, is situated in Asia. Let us know about neighboring countries of India. Afghanistan and Pakistan in the northwest direction. China, Bhutan and Nepal in the north direction. Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east direction. Sri Lanka and Maldives in the south direction. These all are the neighbors of India. States and union territories of India. You all know that India is divided into 29 states and 7 union territories. And all states and union territories all have their own capitals. So now firstly I will tell you about the states and their capitals. First, Andhra Pradesh and its capital Hyderabad. Second, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Assam, Dispur. Bihar, Patna. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Goa, Panaji. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Haryana, Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Karnataka, Bengaluru. Kerala, Tiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Manipur, Imphal. Meghalaya, Shillong. Mizoram, Aizawl. Nagaland, Kohima. Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Punjab, Chhattisgarh. Rajasthan, Jaipur. Sikkim, Gangtok. Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Telangana, Hyderabad. Tripura, Agartala. Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. Uttarakhand, Dehradun. West Bengal, Kolkata. These all are the 29 states and their capitals. Now I will tell you that Andhra Pradesh, that capital is Hyderabad, and Telangana, its also capital is Hyderabad. Means Andhra Pradesh and Telangana both have same capital, Hyderabad. One more thing, that Punjab and Haryana, they both also have the same capital, and that is Chandigarh. Next, union territories and their capital. There are 7 union territories and their capitals are here. First, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, that capital is Port Blair. Lakshadweep, Kavaratti. Puducherry, its capital is also Puducherry. Daman and Diu, its capital is Daman. Dadra and Nagar Haveli, its capital is Silvassa. Chandigarh capital is also Chandigarh. Delhi and its capital is New Delhi. So these all are the union territories and their capitals. Now you can see there is a map also, and there are all the states, their capitals, union territories and their capitals. So you can see the map also. Now next topic is physical divisions of India. India has different types of landforms. It has mountains, plains, plateaus, desert and islands. So now I will tell you about the mountains, plains, plateaus, deserts and these all the things. First, mountain. A mountain is a large landform that rises above the surrounding land in a limited area, usually in the form of a peak. I think you all know what are mountains. So there are few examples of mountains: the Himalaya range, the Satpura and the Vindhya range, the Aravalli range, etc. These are mountains. Second, plains. A plain is a flat land. Plains are one of the major landform or types of land on earth. They cover more than 1/3 of world's land area. So there are few examples of plains are eastern coastal plains and western coastal plains. Next, plateaus. A large high area of flat land are called plateau. Next, desert. I think you all know what are deserts. So a desert is a barren area. An area often covered with sand. In desert there are lots of sand and that full area is covered with sand. And where there is very little rain and not many plants. There are only few plants, and that is thorny plants like cactus. And there are Thar desert in Rajasthan. Next, island. An island is a piece of land that's surrounded by water on all sides. So they form the physical features of India. Now, physical features. According to their physical features, India is divided into 6 parts. First, the northern mountains. Second, the northern plains. Third, the Great Indian Desert that that is Thar Desert. Fourth, the southern plateau. Fifth, the eastern and western coastal plain. And the last one, the islands. Okay. So, the mountains in the north and northeastern part of India protects us from extreme cold wind and guards our borders against enemies. Few mountains in the north direction and northeastern part of India, they protect us from the very cold winds and they protect as a guard. And they protect us from the enemies. What is the meaning of enemies? Enemies, you can say, that always try to harm us. They are not our friends, they are enemies. The southern part of India is a peninsula and it is surrounded by water on 3 sides. In the southern part of India, there is peninsula. So, I think you all have understood what is the meaning of peninsula. Peninsula is a piece of land that is surrounded by water on 3 sides. Islands, that is surrounded by all the sides water, but peninsula, that is surrounded by water on 3 sides. India has a long coastline of 7,516 kilometers, including Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar Islands. Okay. So Andaman Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep, both islands that has a coastline of 7,516 kilometers, and the Cape Comorin near Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of Indian mainland, while the Indira Point is in the Andaman Nicobar Island is the southernmost point of Indian Union. So the largest state of India is Rajasthan and the smallest is Goa. There are 29 states. So in all 29, one largest and one